Hey there, amazing viewers! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the most intriguing laws that can supercharge your life. Today, we're delving into Law 6, Ask, Don't Tell. The question, behavior effect. Get ready to unlock the powerful psychological trick that can transform motivation, habits, and behaviors, not only for yourself but for others too. Let's travel to 1980, a pivotal year in American politics. Ronald Reagan is up against the incumbent president Jimmy Carter in the race for the White House. The economy was in turmoil, and Reagan needed a game-changing move. He does something unprecedented during their televised debate, and it changes the course of history. Reagan, facing a daunting 8-point deficit in the polls, chooses a path that no presidential candidate had taken before. He asks a simple yet legendary question. Are you better off now than you were 4 years ago? It's a game changer that prompts viewers to think and assess their situations. Why did Reagan's question work so well? Well, questions, unlike statements, ignite an active response in our brains. Researchers at Ohio State University have found that when facts are on your side, questions become incredibly effective. They make people ponder, and thinking often leads to action. How many times have you made commitments to yourself that you couldn't keep, promising to eat better or exercise regularly, only to fall short? Good intentions often aren't enough. But a well-designed question can be a game changer. It can bridge the gap between intention and action. A team of scientists conducted extensive research and found that asking is more powerful than telling when it comes to influencing behavior. Questions have a unique psychological impact, unlike statement. A sign saying, "Please recycle pails," in comparison to one that asks, "Will you recycle?" The question behavior effect is at its zenith when questions demand binary answers, yes or no. These questions leave no room for excuses or justifications, forcing a commitment. Starting questions with will implies action and ownership, making them even more potent. Remember cognitive dissonance. It's that discomfort when your ideal self doesn't align with your current self. Questions can leverage this phenomenon. For instance, answering no to a question about practicing Tai Chi when you aspire to be an expert creates dissonance. To resolve it, you're more likely to take action. Questions with binary answers eliminate wiggle room for self-deception. It compels you to commit. Like asking, "Will I go to the gym today?" with no room for excuses. It's a promise to yourself, and you don't want to break it. You can use the question behavior effect to help others too. Ask friends or loved ones questions like, "Will you eat more healthily?" or "Will you go for that promotion?" It gently confronts them, nudging them to become their best selves. In your daily life, whether you're a waiter or in any role, use questions strategically. Instead of saying, "I hope you enjoyed your food," ask, "How was the food?" just before presenting the bill. Questions, when facts are on your side, become powerful tools for influencing behavior. In conclusion, remember Law 6. Ask, don't tell. The question behavior effect. If you want to encourage positive behavior in yourself or others, avoid making statements. Instead, ask binary yes or no question. People are more likely to say yes if it aligns with who they want to be, and once they say yes, it's more likely to come true. Questions of your actions will be answered. That's a wrap for today's enlightening journey into the power of questions and behavior change. If you found this video as mind-blowing as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more captivating content. Until next time, remember, questions have the power to transform your world. So go ahead, ask, and watch your reality change. Stay curious, stay inspired.